The Middle East is located primarily in Western Asia, but also in parts of the Northern Africa and Southeastern Europe.
The 16 countries that make up the Middle East are Turkey, Iraq, Iran, Saudi Arabia, Syria, Kuwait, Yemen, Oman, Jordan, Egypt, UAE, Israel, Qatar, Lebanon, Cyprus, and Bahrain. Our region's physical features are a lot of mountains and deserts.
Schools in the Middle East today take many forms, from secular to Islamic. Women in the Middle East are subjected to extreme systems that often deprive them of their human rights and their dignity. There was a clear gender bias towards men in the region.
Girls weren't allowed to go to school in some countries in the Middle East, but whenever they were allowed to go, even the boys have to pay for transportation to go to school. Schools are from grade 1 through 6.
Hopes for Women is a nonprofit, volunteer-based NGO registered in Canada and Jordan. They provide financial and non-financial support to underprivileged refugees, displaced, and non-status women in becoming self-sustainable and financially independent. Their goal was to help women with their education.
After the 2003 U.S. war in Iraq, there was a target for education establishments by militias. In 2007, 353 academics were assassinated and almost 800,000 children were out of school and over 3,000 academics fled the country. Terrorists were taking over areas in the Middle East, causing people to leave and leave all their belongings behind. They made people fear for their lives. Children were afraid to go to school. They left the people with no choice but to leave and end up in a refugee camp missing their old life.